Have you ever tried mixing soap and toothpaste together? Believe me, the result is truly amazing and everything you clean with this mixture will shine brilliantly. Start by grating a small piece of regular laundry soap until you get a fine texture. You will need about 4 tablespoons of these grated flakes for the base of our cleaning solution. Before we go further, I would love for you to share in the comments which country you are watching from. It is always a joy to know where my viewers are joining from around the world. Now, let's continue with the preparation. Measure around 130 to 140 milliliters of hot water and pour it into a bowl. Add the grated soap to the water and stir thoroughly until it dissolves completely. If you wish to speed up the process, you can even place the mixture in a microwave for a short time to help the soap melt faster. Next, it is time to add 4 tablespoons of any kind of toothpaste. It does not matter if the toothpaste is new or expired, as it still contains small abrasive particles that make it excellent for cleaning. After that, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda is well known for its gentle abrasive action and its ability to dissolve limescale and break down tough deposits. When combined together, these simple ingredients create a remarkably powerful homemade remedy for cleaning different surfaces around the house. One of the most effective uses of this mixture is for removing limescale from faucets. All you need to do is apply the prepared paste directly onto the surface and let it sit for a few minutes. Wait about 5 minutes, then rinse the faucet with warm water and you will immediately see the difference. To complete the process, wipe the surface with a microfiber cloth and admire the sparkling, brilliant result. But the benefits do not stop there. This homemade cleaner is also wonderful for tackling mold and dirt between tiles in the kitchen or bathroom, places that are constantly exposed to moisture. Using an old toothbrush or a seam brush, carefully rub the mixture into the grout lines. After scrubbing, wash off the remaining paste with a sponge and warm water. You will notice that the seams look brighter, cleaner, and free from harmful chemical residues. Tiles often lose their shine over time as yellow stains from water, soap, and grease begin to accumulate. Apply this homemade paste onto the dirtiest areas of your tiles, focusing especially on the places where the discoloration is the most noticeable. After rinsing, the tiles will look refreshed, spotless, and gleaming like they are brand new.